Welcome to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can turn off your activity status on Instagram. So if you turn off your activity status, basically what is going to happen is before you turn it off, if your activity status was on, then people would know when you were online, how much long ago you were last online. You could see in people's profile it would show 12 minutes ago, 10 minutes ago. Well, it's basically people with their activity status turned on, and you can know if they are on or off. Alright, but if you have turned off your activity status, people are not going to know whether you're online right now or offline or how long ago you were online. Alright, so this is basically the advantage. So if you want to go private, then I will show you how you guys can turn off your activity status on Instagram. And before I show you the steps on how to do that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit that subscribe to our channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, you want to click on your profile picture at the bottom right of your screen. Once you're in the profile section of your Instagram, at the top, you can see the three line, also known as the hamburger menu icon. Click on it. And over here, you can see the settings icon. Click on it. Once you're inside the settings icon at the top versus search, you want to click on the search bar. And on the search bar, you want to write activity. And you don't even have to write the entire activity. You can just write AC, and you can see the activity status option being displayed over here, right below private account. Click on activity status, and if it is turned on like this, just turn it off. And basically, that's good to go. You have turned off your activity status. That's how simple it is to turn off your activity status on Instagram. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide for future videos like this. And to turn it on as well, you can follow the same step at the end. Instead of turning off, just turn it on. Alright, so hope you understand. Hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide, and bye bye.